Today we're going to show you how to change the watch face on your Garmin Approach S70 series golf watch. Since there are 3 different methods for customizing the watch face, we will break this video into 3 sections that you can access from the description or timeline. First, we will show you how to select and modify built-in watch faces. For this section, we will only need your watch. From the watch face, press the menu button to access the menu. Then tap Settings to select it. Now scroll down and select Watch Face. Here you can scroll through the watch face options. Additionally, you can build your own watch face from scratch by selecting Add New at the bottom of the list. In this video, we will select one of the preset watch faces. If the watch face is already set to your liking, you may go ahead and select Apply to finish. You may also scroll down through this menu to modify watch face settings like data, color, and much more. We will just be showing you how to adjust the data, but the steps are similar for the other options. To adjust the data fields, select Data. One of the data fields will be blinking and indicates the field that is being modified. To change it, scroll up or down through the available data options. Once you find your preferred data, press the Action button to select it. The data field will blink and allow you to change it. Repeat this process until each field is set to your liking. Once complete, you will see the menu screen again. Scroll up and select Apply to complete the new watch face. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about your Approach S70, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.